Right now, where is most of your business coming from as a team?
Open house has always been a great lead source for us and just Sphere in general. When I joined Kyle about 2 years ago, I hadn't done any of that in my previous team. We were both from out of state. And so we built a team based on expired, canceled FSBOs and then made those past clients. And that's how we built our Sphere there, as we were both out of towners that built a new company there in Chicago. For Kyle, it was kind of the opposite when I came in. They already did open house and Sphere and all the things that you would want a real estate company to do really well. And so now it's becoming a little more blended of generated business that we generate between Ylopo. We're getting a lot of pay-per-click, Google services ads. I think I see every thread in real estate talking about it. If you're not on them, hop on them. Zillow and Realtor, we're testing everything, right? Tracking the ROI and just seeing really what happens to it. But I'd say by and large, it's focusing on those core. Nothing's really changed. I think the only notable is Google services ads.